Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I am going to put these two creams to the test. This brand, Boto Botanicals, sent me their Brazilian body butter. If you guys saw the unboxing, if you did not, it will be linked down below. They claim that this cream is better than the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. We're going to test it out, and I'm also going to tell you my thoughts because I have been using this. So if you guys want to see all of that and hear all of that, then keep watching. So the Brazilian Bum Bum cream is made in the USA. It contains synthetic ingredients. It's owned by a large corporation. It's heavily scented, but we all know that scent. And it has non-renewable packaging, and it is a cream. So this is what the inside looks like. This is the texture. It is a really, really thin consistency. I typically like this, honestly, as like a hand cream, really. So this is what the Brazilian Bum Bum cream looks like on the inside. It is a cream, so it is like a silkier consistency. It does take a minute to sink into the skin. I have been noticing that because I have not used this in a while. So this is just a sample size, but their mini size cost $22. So the Brazilian body butter from Boto Botanicals is made in Brazil. It has 100% natural ingredients. It's family owned, lightly scented. The packaging is made from sugarcane, which is pretty cool. It has rich and thick body butter, and all the sales support the rainforests. This is 6 ounces and retails for $26. A little goes a long way with this product, and I love how it melts into the skin. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It is a body butter, but it is not super thick, and it just feels so nice on the skin. I absolutely love it. And the smell is lighter, and I actually do like the smell a little bit better because it's not so strong. I personally really love this. I actually do kind of like it more than the Brazilian Bum Bum cream because of how nicely it blends and sinks into the skin so effortlessly. You barely have to rub it in. I've been using this twice a day, and my skin has been loving it. Highly recommend this. If you guys want to check out Boto Botanicals, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. So is this a dupe? Yes, I definitely think the Boto Botanicals is a dupe. I think it's actually a little better than Sol de Janeiro, but that's just my opinion. I think you guys should try it out for yourself. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. Thank you, Boto Botanicals, for sending me your Brazilian body butter. I absolutely love it. If you guys want to check out the unboxing I did for Boto Botanicals, it'll be linked down below as well. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!